my country people, they say, in one of our Benin parables, say, all double work on Ariowa. I know say some mad people there for social media now go say what Atiti they talk. Your own good. Now to repair another person home. Now me a day. If you say I reach like this before my woman come out, in our born for man, I will take an enter house. It's just the truth. Say papa there for another place, but mama there for another place. They can't train Peking. Now by grace of God. Now the Peking, now the children, till they get as it be. May God let all children, we mothers train for us. May God bless them abundant. Anything where they pour hand, may better for them. But it not be like say fatherly love, motherly love join together at once. May they get that race picking up. But anyway, because of the errant way we come day to day, we take the life the way we see it. But anyway, nothing when it's spoiled, where they not defeat the repair. Nothing when it's spoiled, where they not defeat the repair. So because of that one, I come this evening, Mama, I go, and not come for quarrel. I received one call from America this morning by 4 o'clock. Now I can't call Papa I go around that kind of 10. I know they talk like they call Papa I go. I they call him. Now me go carry and come out for his house. See they come me they go swear. Since not be swear now again. Not be swear again. They want come swear now, Mama I go. Not be swear you want come swear now. For our Edo tradition, it gets us when they do this kind of thing. I believe say now so you go see B for Igbo. Now so you go see B for Igbo. If woman throw leg put for inside bush, then you get what they call sacrifice Azor. I believe say I don't know whether they get her for Igbo land or I don't know whether they get her for Igbo land. For our tradition, say a woman flirts for outside, he sleep with God's son. He get us the one for our place. So Mama I go, I call Papa I go. Papa I go, sorry, you say we not the measure your picking name. They put for this thing. Say we not the measure your picking name, we the measure of our name. You to the senior man where you be. For our tradition, if you want to call Papa, you call and join the picking name. If I did measure your name, it will be like say I did disrespect you. So I go see the call that Papa I go. I know if he can call you Mr. Antonio. I know say they offend you for bone of your heart. It pains you. But now you see to say forgiveness. You forgive anybody, any way they do. You want to join with your family. You want to be with your family. I thank you for that. Not be all man if you take the shades. Not be all man if you take them. But I thank you for that. Say, you want to be with your family. You want to deal with your family. You want you and your family to do things together. Say, you can ask me questions. How did they do it for our place? I can't tell you. See, they see they do it. This one not because again. Mama, I go say me, you can't cause. Whether you not do it. No, this one not because again. It don't happen like this. Man, when he's supposed to shame, he take and rub body for all the insult where man and woman get for social media. If they say me, they talk, the person will bring insult for Papa I go, Mama I go, now you bring insult for them. Now you bring disgrace for them. But he take all of the rub body as a man. We need, me they get a tray picking together. Papa there for another place, picking there for another place. He say not be waiting sign before because of the situation of Europe. Now I agree for the first time. But anyway, Papa I go, you do well. Question when I ask you today, you give me good answer. I go still try my possible best. I they come they do video every day. Now I want to talk to my sister, Mama I go. Not be to curse her. Now the word of advice. I know say some people go to see they carry the video where they take confess, they go they knock a party for their head. My mission now to they call confess. Wait, after confession, everything will fix everything right. Now be my mission. Any broken English when I dey speak, when I don't understand, I be not picking way go squad. I introduce myself every time. Papa, I go, you do well, God bless you. Say, woman, your woman, we born for picking for you, chocolate for outside. People insult you. People curse you for your personality. As people take know you. You say you not worry. Say you still take your wife at house. So if I may go do, not be to swear again before, not to go swear. Omadioa. To go swear Omadioa, why my go call ask me, say, wait, I know what your Omadioa be. Say na thunder avanuku. So not be avanuku, mama go one swear again now. It get us with the douan for Benin. I don't know what's the douan for Igbo land. Where they call Arizo. They go do the thing, say Arizo. So here go. Welcome if you dey for here. If you not see dey for here, maybe people when they know you, they'll see call you, listen to this my video very clear and listen successfully. Mama ego, I call Papa ego. Now me fair call Papa ego come out for his house. I just sit call am today after the confession of you and Frank Victor. You can't tell us say he ask the Bekus when he do, he be as put. As he don't be as put, now he collect the ask for the Bekus when he do. Papa ego, the man where you born 3-4 picking for, I don't can't picking follow now. He say any mistake where you do as a woman, as a lovely wife, he say he take and rub body. He say for not to, because he ask another question, say if you set to tomorrow, not be waiting you can't take the laugh am. He say if he take and laugh you, me mama go see call me when I say talk to, when I ask and waiting he cause that when I say no problem. I want to drop this first video now because I'm not there for her, because I promised people, I promised and say I'll come out this evening, do short video like this to Mama Ego and to the world. Brothers and sisters, we never see breaking of home. We never see breaking of home. We never see breaking of relationship. You get wife for house. Your wife, they do well. The person will never reach his body today, he go reach his body tomorrow. My wife, 9 years ago, now gave me breaking of heart. He come out. Papa, I go, now last year happen. Now so nobody see where they laugh. All of them, I pray moon and not see. I pray moon and not see you. So this evening, Mama, I go. As I dey talk since, you dey understand what I dey try to talk. If they talk to a person, if we say we talk person we supposed to the verse. Now, Papa, I go, you go sleep with your godson. Where your Fravito be your godson. Now see there, now be God. Papa, I go godson. You go sleep with him. But he say, Papa go say, in any circumstances, he love his family. He love his family. He don't want to separate from the family. Now I say when I come this evening, Mama, I go. I said, my Edo sister, wait till do happen. They say nobody will not they made mistake for life when you accept your mistake. That's why they for inside Bible say, confess your sin, you shall be forgiven. People, anyone I take confess the sin for my sin, I don't say I don't confess finish. Anyone want I want come to talk. Now to come they put Maggie, go come they add salt. Come they add 30%, come they add 20%. I'm not interested in that. What I'm interested in for, now I come for now. Yeah, with that dollar money, $1 So I come this evening. If Papa go, wait woman, when he go sleep with godson, say he go see marry the woman. I have no alternative. I have no alternative to do what he say. Mama Ego, please, I beg you. Now, party you do, due to your husband, the way they love you and your family, love your children, I will say plead for bottom of my heart to make amendment with this man. to make amendments, to have the heart of forgiving. Now you give this man disgrace. Oh. Now you fool this man. Oh. But I did tell you as a sister, for me to come, since when I see this video, when I confess is then, to come they insult the both sides. To come they insult the both sides. Since me don't talk, wait till I don't talk, don't say they'll come confess. No, don't come confess. I know say some people say if Atiti come out, if Atiti come out, I not be person like that. When you say the truth, you shall be forgiven. Now be my own. Now be the heart when I carry come. So mama I go. As I call Papa I go, he say he no need quarrel again. Since he don't know, now swear him be say me you go swear if you not sleep with Franvito before. Now when I don't confess, how will they do one for Edo? He get as they do one for their side. He say get as they do one for side. Now I say if woman flirt for go to clear for bush. For our side, he go Zor. Of which the Franvito where they beat adultery women is there. Now make they go Zor, make they go do cleansing. Now they beat them for. And we don't know say now it be the okmetenye of adultery. They say now what people they do. Now they tell you laugh person. Now they tell you beat person. But not be that one I come for now. Make una help me share the video. If you never share and let her go viral, make una press I like your thing. I never say I like your thing for years since. I never say I like your thing for years since. Muna give me flower, muna press I like your thing. Adole woyi, ewu na mama. Adole woyi, ewu na mama. We no come spoil, we can't repair. As I dey repair, they go so. People they there, we not fit do what I do with they go school. They give me different name. Ojewe. And now because of the truth, when I take the attack, then I they go find person where one can talk say I think good. Una observe for this social media. They will say confess more and not worry. Oh. Where DNA come out, CNN come out. Some people will go chop bribe. They cry it today. Oh. They try to do they swear my name today. They swear my name. But they don't know say the Obinidos are being saying that. They don't know say the Benin because they say Pikin will not the shame, not good. So for me, come they answer all those kind of people. They be irrelevant and not go answer them. You let me they cry every day. We can't describe the bad people to our people. May our people be careful for their body. As we they describe them, they go like to put the bad name for our name, but God not go agree. So mama, I go wait till I come for this evening. I still do 3 or 4 videos. I not come insult you. My duty now to come to insult you because what you do, you come to insult me for my platform. But I not come insult you this evening. You be my sister. You don't do good for me. When I did for pains. You don't do good for me. But not because of that good I can't quarrel with you. Now because of what I see, what I hear, now make me quarrel with you, confession must come. As far as you don't confess now, the man will sleep with you don't confess. Your husband, when you born for, he say, whether in any circumstances, he ready to gather, to stay with the family. I come, when I wait, when I have the music, may not go come out for there. When I wait, when I put earphone for here, when I make call to Papa, I go first. So when I tell him watch the video first. When I tell him, so my people, una good evening. If you did there, Papa, I go carry phone. When I tell you, say I don't enter live video, I want me to do for here. Since if anybody don't press I like your team, me help me press I like your team, Papa, I go. Here go, I like your team. Here go, I like your team. Maybe not in nobody's house. Mama, I go press I like your team. Mama, I go press I like your team. So, una do well, my people. The one when I say when I take on this evening, when I want to drop some more first. Mama, I go. They say that they got that beat person. Wait to waste soup. But I not get that can't beat you now. I not get that can insult you now. Wait till I come for. They say, woman or man, when he confess his sin, he shall be forgiven. As far as say your husband, when you born for, he forgive you. I have no voice again to plead on your behalf. Now you offend this man. Now you get ashamed and disgrace. But this man say, he still love his family. He want to be with the family. Prophet Atiti, I believe that is my heart. I'm just telling you. This evening I come now, Mama, I go. I know say your many family go see this video. I know say many of your family go see this video. Many of your friends go see this video. Sometimes, not listen to friends. Wait till friend want to tell you that wait till they not get. They want me to spoil them for person hands. Now so Europe friend be. Do what it did for your hearts. May you with this man train picky together. This man not worry now. Say you get shame, you get disgrace. Person will not reach to insult him. He can't insult him. He not worry. He not worry. But he say he wants to be with the family. He want to be with the family. Mama, I go. Please, if I dey beg you now, people say Atiti no know what it. I go say beg. I go beg. Because they say I should talk and say, oh, wear shoe. Now I know where they pay now. The shoe where Papa I go wear so I don't feel experience. So I know they want me, my friend or my brother or anybody when I don't call my own experience the shoe where me don't feel wear. When I don't wear some more time now go pull out to way finish. Now I come this evening, Mama I go. I know say many people go they insult you every day. Many people go they quarrel with you every day. I know they for that one. I know they for that one. Now to repair your home. Picky where Papa train, where my Papa with Mama train, difference the day. The one where Mama train, difference the day. The one where they train, difference the day. Where did they cost all those things where they pass through today? Many of our sisters, they not grow for house. They not grow for house. May God give them more wisdom and more strength. May they feel they stay with man. I dey pray for that one every night. Now they pray for that one. But wait till I come for this evening, Mama, I go. I beg. I'll still do video tomorrow. I'll still do next tomorrow. Who get Mama I go number? Make it give me. Who get your number? Make it give me. You insult me for waiting. Now you do one more. You insult me. I don't worry. But I have to make peace. When I call Lady Abia, you are for America. When I call her, he go get Mama I go number. He go get Mama I go number. He go get Mama I go number. I know nobody call her now. I'll ask for a number tomorrow. If I do video, I go call Mama I go. If I do video tomorrow, I'll call Mama I go. So I see call Papa I go. If their family not fit settle them, may we wait there for social media. With their do people. May we try. May we measure together. God bless all of you now this evening. Now short video now I can't drop. Any I take drop this video, my country people. Make una take the good one. Make una leave the bad one. You way one call they insult Mama I go or my phone where for. You way one call they talk to Papa I go near anyhow. You know, on my phone where for not see finish for you. Nobody. It's there for everybody body. As it's there for your body, now so it's there for my body. It's such it don't happen like this for a do land. Say woman go chocolate for bush. If your husband love one, or when I zone it, he go do the cleansing. Now so it they happen. Not be today start. It don't tell when they exist. Mostly women where they put money for head. Since his husband say, may they do the cleansing for them. When the husband first come out, he say, may he can't swear. May he can't swear. Whether I not do one. Now when your husband just see and say, the truth don't come out. He say, when you say the truth, your sins are forgiven. So, what do we try to do now to bring two of them together? If Mama go, you be a day. If Papa go, na the one. They say in our Bini parable, you won't be balege. Na person mate, na person they drag with. So my people, una good evening. A very short video now I can't draw for this evening because I don't promise people say I'll come out this evening. Now make me call drop this one. Maybe by tomorrow I go set my chair. I will set my chair. I'll call Mama Ego. I'll first look for a number. I'll still tell Lady Abiyewa. I'll send this video to Lady Abiyewa just to make it listing. I know say Lady Abiyewa the married to junior sister, junior brother of Mama Ego. Make they see watch her. If now waiting, the husband, Papa Ego husband, say he need the wife. He say may go do the cleansing. As if he thought say may go swear whether or not sleep with Victor. Now he say may go do the cleansing in love with family. He want to be with your children. He want to be with your children. So they say, who get cow? Now they push out the cow. So I say here, I say, Frank Victor, the video when he do yesterday, he beg Papa Ego, say my Papa Ego no verse. Say now everything happen. So Mama Ego, I say well, I can't drop this video to your notice. Wait till your husband talk. I go call Lady Abiyewa. Ask her your number. If you not see give me, I get other people who go give me the number. I'll see call you. If I call you, if you see insult me, no problem. A way forward. A way of sincere. Now I stand for this matter. I not stand for this matter. So go on with me. I'm not there for that one. That the goodness of this family. When they do Christmas together last 2 years, wait too often they call me with Papa Ego, Mama the sweet. Mama the sweet. When they do Christmas together, before when I go they call me, Mama the sweet they put. So because of that one, we need an amendment for this matter. We need an amendment. So my people, una good evening. God bless all of you. I'm going to share the video, make it go viral. By tomorrow, I will come and talk into this matter again. I want to talk for this matter. I not come for quarrel. I not come for cause. How to merge the family. Now I come for una bye bye. Una good night. Make una sleep.